Hi everyone, it's me. It is about 8:30 Thursday night. We're on our way to Subway to get something to eat. I've been having problems with my one tooth. Come on. Bear. Bear, come on. Where did he go? Come here. No, come on. Bear. Come on, I don't have time for you to sniff. Yeah, we're gonna run over to Subway real quick. I think I got 50 something here. 25. 50. Okay, and 50 cents. Hopefully they're open. He said that they close at 10:30, but I don't see any lights on, so I have no clue if they're open or not. Well, everyone, I'm going to stop right here, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.